Article writing: how to make your article creative and interesting. Oftentimes, when it comes to article writing, the end result can be pretty mundane. In many instances, there is nothing that prevents you from getting creative in your article writing. There are some pointers that will be helpful to you when it comes to getting creative in your article writing. By understanding these pointers, you will end up making your article writing more useful and more powerful. Article writing can be extremely boring at times, especially if you are shooting for a specific number of articles written each day. So it is easy with article writing to get sloppy, to forget to make the article interesting, or to not do a good job of teaching whatever it is you are teaching in the article. So how do you make an article interesting enough that the reader sticks with you through to the end of the article and clicks on your website? The most fundamental factor that you need to master when it comes to getting creative with your article writing is your choice of words. While you do not want to utilize a big word when something more concise will do, you will want to use interesting words whenever possible. Another fundamental factor that you will want to need to appreciate when working to make your article writing more creative is the manner in which you structure a particular article. Long blocks of text are far less compelling than a pithy, direct, and smartly written sentence or paragraph. Don't use 5 words when one will do. One of the easiest ways to do this is to write a how-to article much like this one. By writing a how-to article, you are specifically dealing with exactly what the title indicates, and you are meeting a need of your reader. The nice thing about a how-to article is that only people interested in learning how to do something specific will read your article, and as long as you stick to the topic and teach them how to do it, you will succeed at writing an interesting article, at least to them. Another way to create an interesting article is to include a story of how what you are writing about has helped someone else, how your technique has benefited someone else. And still another way that you can keep your article interesting is to offer information that is rarely found elsewhere and possibly even only information that you alone can offer.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.